Hello everyone, this is Rashid. I'm going to explain you a step-by-step procedure how to stake Etherlite coin. As documented steps here, step 1 you need to install MetaMask and set the passphrase. And the second step, connect your MetaMask wallet to https stakingetherlite.org, and step 3, transfer your ETL coin from your exchange to MetaMask. In my case, I'm using Bbox. Step 4, once you receive your coin from your Bbox or from your exchange to MetaMask, stake those coins in staking.etherlite.org website. Let's get into details one by one. Now let's go in detail. First step, as I said, you need to open https metamask.io website URL from your Chrome browser. I open that and you should see the page something like this, and click on download now, and then install MetaMask for Chrome. This will take us to the extension, Chrome extension page. Click add to Chrome and add extension. Now the Chrome extension, MetaMask Chrome extension got added. Click on get started and click on create a wallet. Click on agree, and here you need to set your own password. This is required whenever your MetaMask gets locked. To unlock it, you need this password, and click next. And on this secret backup phrase page, if you click on this lock icon, you can see your passphrase. You need to save this. Please do not lose this passphrase. If you lose this, you cannot recover your MetaMask wallet. This one you can write it somewhere or keep it somewhere safely. Then click next. Now you need to enter your passphrase on this page. First one is cake, second method, third art, asset render chicken, lens exit virus, moment, error print. Click confirm. All done. Congratulations. Now your MetaMask wallet got created. Now the second step is you need to open https staking.etherlite.org website URL from your Chrome browser. So it will take you to this page, and it will open your MetaMask. You need to click next, then connect, and it got connected. And now on the Chrome browser, click on Etherlite chain and click approve. Switch to network. Now if you refresh your website, now you should see your balance. My balance is 0. So now next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer my Etherlite coin from my Bbox exchange to my MetaMask wallet. Next step is transferring your Etherlite coin from your exchange to MetaMask. In my case, I'm using Bbox. So for that, what you have to do is go to this page and select withdraw, and then go to your MetaMask and click on this account See, you can see it is copied, right? Now paste your ETL address, and then what how many coins you want to transfer, enter that. See, here in this case the trading fee is 0.2, so 1015.02 coins will be deducted from your BBox. Click withdraw ETL, then it will ask you to enter your fund password and your Google authentication code. Click confirm. After that, it will take usually 2 to 3 hours to get it reflected in your Etherlite in your MetaMask wallet. In my case, almost 3 hours later, my Etherlite coin got credited to my MetaMask wallet, and here I can see in the staking.etherlite.org website also I can see under balance. Now it is balance showing 0.98 because I already staked, or otherwise I have received 1015 coins. So once you see the balance, what you need to do is you need to go and check all the pools. You need to select the pool which has the ETL ratio, which has the least ETL ratio. In this case, I think pool 15 has the least ETL ratio. Let us double check. 2.96, 3.01, 3.04, 98. Yeah, I think pool 15 is the least one. You can select any pool. Only thing you need to see is the ETL ratio. The lesser number of percentage, the more rewards you will get. So click stake ETL and then enter amount. In my case, I have received 1015, right? So I'm entering 1014 so that they will deduct gas fee also. So 1014 and then place ETL. Once you click place ETL, then it will open your MetaMask. So you need to go to MetaMask and click confirm. Once you confirm that, then your balance will be deducted, and if you click on show only those I have stake, only that pool will be shown here. And 7 days later you can go to the same website and you can claim your rewards. So see, since I have staked in pool 15, it is showing pool 15. I staked my ETL coin today, so I don't see any reward points. So otherwise, if you check 1 week later, you should see some amount here, and click claim. Once you click claim, that amount should get reflected in your MetaMask. Thank you for watching. Hope this will help you. If you need any further video, please let me know.